So I said I would keep you wet and would keep you lubricated. Well, here's how I'm gonna do it. My buddy Kostas, link is in the description. He's a young automotive technician wannabe in Athens, Greece. I think he's 15, maybe 16 years old. He works on a Volkswagen, or he has a Volkswagen T2 transporter, I believe it is, a Volkswagen bus transporter or pickup, which he maintains, works on, overhauls, etc. So he's quite the smart kid, and he's a loyal viewer of mine, of my YouTube channel and of my Instagram. So I got this tip from him. This is a inline tool oiler. So as indicated by these tools, it says oil daily. I'm too lazy to do that with this, with this bottle on a daily basis or whenever I use this. So he made me aware of these inline oilers. You basically screw this into here, and you put the nipple into here, or the air hose fitting, you put it in here, and then you put oil into this chamber, and as air rushes through here, it draws oil into the air tool. So this is quite ingenious. I had no idea these things were available. I initially was going to order them online, but I ended up going to a store and finding them in the store. Two stores that I went to did not have them, even though they had advertised them. One store said that it was a discontinued item, the other store just was out of stock. So I found these at the local Canadian Tire places of all places. Canadian Tire of all places. But anyways, I'm not sure how long this stuff will hold up, or if people don't use it because when they put their tool down these things break. I have no idea. Long story short, here's the installation. Just going to loosen that screw, but not fill it yet. I'm just going to take this off. Use whatever tools are required or whatever works for you. You can apply some Teflon tape to the threads. No flat portion here. It's kind of strange, so you would have to tighten it from up here. Yeah. Not too tight, just tight enough to be tight without being too tight. And then this fitting, as mentioned, goes into there. Same thing, not too tight, just tight enough to be tight. There was no instructions in the packaging of this inline bleeder, so I'm just going to put some oil in here if I can get it in nicely. Air has to come out somehow. Wow, they don't make it easy to fill it. Maybe that's why people don't use it. It's a pain in the ass to fill. we want to go down. Couldn't be full already. Okay, just got to find the right angle. Oops. Come on. I feel your pain because it's my pain. Not too tight, just tight enough to be tight. Okay, there you go. And you can easily monitor the oil level. Whoa. Perfect. Thanks, Kostas. Awesome. So as I was installing this, our apprentice came by and he had an idea. Why not just attach it to a male-female connection? Now if I need to use it, I just hook it up to here, and then I hook up whatever tool is required. That way, not every tool needs to have an oiler. And if I don't need the oiler, if I happen to be using the air gun, I just take the oiler off. Genius. Genius. Very, very smart. So I hope you guys like that trick. Works good. Look. Yeah, I gave you credit. Yeah, I said our apprentice, genius guy, I said.